In December, I earned $334.98 of dividend income, which is my highest amount of monthly dividends to date. Also, the current value of my portfolio finally crossed the 100K milestone. As Charlie Munger says, the first 100K is a bit. That next 100K will come a lot faster thanks to the power of compound interest. Throughout this video, I'll be updating you on the progress of my long-term dividend stock portfolio, checking how I did on my 2021 goals, and setting new goals for 2022. My name is Zach, and you should leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. These monthly portfolio updates have chronicled my dividend investing journey since May 2020. They help hold myself accountable and hopefully can be a source of motivation for others as well. Before I jump into the analysis, I'd like to let everyone know that my dividend investing software is now available to the public as a free beta test. This is what I use to analyze my portfolio, track my dividend income, and research stocks. I made a full demo video on my channel, and you can sign up at dividenddata.com. With that said, let's dive into the numbers. My current portfolio value is $102,774, which is a 30.67% return on dollars invested. This is up significantly from my last update, as my two largest holdings have rebounded from negative positions. I'm now in the green on Disney once again. I'm only down 6% on AT&T, while I was down 12% last update. I believe AT&T is poised for a significant comeback in 2022 after the Warner Media spinoff with Discovery. The rest of the portfolio is doing pretty well. ExxonMobil, Apple, and Microsoft are still doing very strong. Kimberly-Clark is now at a 12% total return, and the problem of margin compression from pulp inflation seems to be clearing up for 2022. Walgreens is up 18.5%, and Federal Realty is up a whopping 88%. You can see the rest of my portfolio here. The only new addition is that I bought one share of Visa. This is a company that I just did a stock review video on. Definitely check that video out if you're interested. I plan on adding to this position, especially if the stock price declines. The diversification of my portfolio is unchanged, with consumer defensive as the largest. This is followed by consumer cyclical, technology, energy, communication services, etc. Now remember, stock price can be quite volatile, and the main goal of this portfolio is to build a source of growing earnings and dividend income for the long term. So let's look at my earned dividends. In total, my portfolio has generated $4,216 in dividends. During the year of 2021, I earned $2,731.11 in dividend income. My 3-month rolling average is $266.63. If we project that into next year, I'm estimated to earn $3,199 in dividends. December was my largest month ever, with $334.98 earned. Notable payments include $131.13 from ExxonMobil and $56.28 from Walgreens Boots Alliance. This made ExxonMobil my top-paying dividend stock ever. In total, it's paid me $711.42 in dividends, which is 16.87% of my total dividend income. I've reinvested all of this, and if we go back to my portfolio page, we can see I've earned over 13 shares from reinvesting dividends. This is significant and shows the dividend snowball at work. Let's take a look at my upcoming dividends. On January 4th, I'm going to receive $55.92 from Kimberly-Clark. On the 7th, $20.92 from PepsiCo. On the 10th, I'm getting $108.08 from Altria Group. Pretty excited to reinvest those. Realty Income is paying $5.27 on the 14th, and Federal Realty pays me $46.72 on the 18th. That's all my dividends for January, but I've got a giant one waiting for me on February 1st. AT&T will pay a dividend of $260, which I'll be reinvesting and will likely result in 10 new shares in the company. So that wraps up the current state of my portfolio. Now let's compare to the goals I set at the beginning of the year. Goal number 1 was to hit a portfolio value of $100,000. Check. I passed that in December and doubled the value of my portfolio year over year. Goal number 2 was to double the 3-month rolling average of my dividend income. At that time, my 3-month rolling average was $178.80, so I set my goal at $350. I missed this by a pretty wide margin, coming in at $266.63. The main reason I didn't hit this goal was that I shifted towards a focus on long-term dividend growth. So for example, I bought more stocks with lower starting yields and reliable high growth like Apple, Microsoft, and Kroger. Also, I bought a large amount of Disney, which still has its dividends suspended. Over the long term, I think this will prove to be an effective strategy, and my interest in Visa is in line with this thinking. Don't get me wrong, I still like my high yielders when they're at a good value. I bought plenty of Altria Group this year. Goal number 3 was not investing related, but to hit 100K subscribers on YouTube. I missed this goal, but still saw significant growth going from 38K to 87K subs. I would say the main reason I missed this goal is because I spent a significant amount of time programming and designing my dividend investing website. I had to learn so much, and I think it was a worthwhile effort. That said, I'm excited to refocus around YouTube more in 2022. Speaking of 2022, let's set some new goals. Goal number 1 is to have my portfolio value hit 150K. Value can be very volatile, but I think this is a realistic number to achieve. Goal number 2 is to hit a 3-month rolling average of $350 in dividend income by the end of 2022. I will be able to hit this if I grow my dividend income at the same rate I did over the last year. However, AT&T lowering its dividend during 2022 will likely be a significant hit to my income. Goal number 3 is to hit 135,000 YouTube subscribers. I will hit this if I gain the same number as I did in 2021. Goal number 4 is to average at least 1 video per week. I want to be much more committed to YouTube and get back to doing my stock review videos. Those videos require a lot of research, but I think they are easily my highest quality content. Make sure to subscribe because we're going to be doing a lot more stock reviews. Thank you for watching Dividend Data. I'd greatly appreciate it if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you follow me on Twitter, link in the description, you can get real-time updates of my buys and dividends coming in. You can support the channel over on Patreon, where you can gain access to a community Discord server. The link is in the description. Please leave a comment below, and thank you for watching.